Hi, this is Janet Kelly from Seeking Peace Coaching. I am a domestic violence survivor, advocate, educator, and coach. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. I will be posting, as others, a lot of educational material. Please take the time to listen and learn about something that many victims do not understand is happening to them. If you are in a people helper role, like a counselor or a pastor or a women's ministry leader, this information can be life-saving for those that you serve. Over the month, I will have different posts about different aspects. Education, also just the process of leaving, and also resources that you can go to for help.